Yeah, hello guys. This is To Be Sincere Studios. Here, I want to teach you how to convert any file into any format of your choice with VLC Media Player. So I'll be teaching you that right now. But make sure, thanks for those that have subscribed to my channel, and those that have not subscribed, please try to subscribe and like and share. Subscribe to my channel so that I will post more videos. Now I'm going to teach you how to use VLC to convert your file to any format. Alright, this is the VLC media player, but I'm going to be converting this video, this logo animation one video. Let's check the property. As you can see, let's go to property. As you can see, the file is in MOV file format. The file is in the MOV file format. Now let's change it to MP4, MPEG-4. Now open the VLC media player. You go to the media, click on the media, then click on convert or save. Convert or save. Then going to pop out this open media. Then you go to hard. You go to hard, click on the hard. Then you locate where the video is. My video is in the desktop, so I locate the desktop. Then logo animation 1. This is it here. Logo animation 1. So it's already added to the file name is here, logo animation 1. Then I open it. Then it's added to this box here, MOV format. Can you see the MOV format? Logo animation 1 MOV format. So after adding it, then you click on convert and save. Convert and save. Then leave all the checks, leave it to convert here. Don't uncheck the convert. Then you go to the destination file. The destination file, click on browse. Then you let me change the name to logo animation 4. Logo animation 4. Then to be on my desktop. I want it to be on my desktop, MP4 format. MP4 format. And I will save it. After saving it, then I'll choose the profile. So I want it to be MP4 1080. I'm not clicking 720, I'm clicking the 1080 TV stroke device. So after clicking on it, then I click on start. And can you see it is reading already? It is reading already. Then it's done. It's done already. Now let's go check at the destination, which is the desktop. Here it is. Here it is. Let's click on here it is here. Logo animation 4. Now let's click and check the property. Let's check the property. Can you see it's already converted to MP4 file? It's already converted to MP4 file. And click OK. Now let's MP4 format. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click and subscribe. More videos will be uploaded on my YouTube channel, To Be Sincere. Follow me for more videos. Thank you. I love you. God bless you.
Fat E on the beat.